When it comes to cooking, choosing the right frying pan can make all the difference in the world. This Lexi Home Tri-ply 10-inch stainless steel scratch-resistant nonstick frying pan is a game-changer for home cooks and seasoned chefs alike. If you're looking for a versatile, durable, and easy-to-use frying pan that provides professional quality results, this might just be the perfect addition to your kitchen. Why you should choose the Lexi Home Tri-ply frying pan. Finding the right frying pan that can handle all your cooking needs without breaking the bank is no easy feat. Many pans promise high performance, but fall short on durability or ease of use. Enter the Lexi Home Tri-ply 10-inch frying pan, designed with premium materials and cutting-edge technology to deliver exceptional cooking results. This frying pan isn't just about looks, it's a well-rounded cooking tool that makes every meal an effortless and enjoyable experience. The tri-ply construction, scratch-resistant non-stick coating, and stay-cool handle are just a few reasons why this pan is quickly becoming a favorite in kitchens across the globe. Key features and benefits. Tri-ply construction for even heating. The 3-layer construction, stainless steel, aluminum, stainless steel, ensures that the pan heats quickly and distributes heat evenly, preventing hot spots that can ruin your meals. Whether you're cooking delicate fish fillets or trying to get a perfect sear on your steak, this pan gives you the consistent results you're looking for every time. Scratch-resistant non-stick surface. One of the standout features of the Lexi Home Tri-ply frying pan is its scratch-resistant non-stick coating. Unlike traditional non-stick pans, this one allows you to cook with only 1 teaspoon of oil, making it a healthier option for preparing your favorite meals. The non-stick surface also makes cleanup a breeze. No more scrubbing stuck food residue or spending ages soaking your pan after use. Durable and long-lasting. Made from premium stainless steel, this frying pan is built to withstand the wear and tear of daily cooking. It is rust-resistant, lead-free, and food-grade safe, meaning it not only lasts longer but also offers peace of mind knowing your pan won't degrade over time. Stay cool handle for comfort. The ergonomically designed handle is crafted to remain cool to the touch, even when you're cooking at high temperatures. No more worrying about burning your hand on the handle. The sleek and simple design of the handle also ensures a comfortable and secure grip, making it easy to maneuver the pan while cooking. Oven safe up to 500 degrees Fahrenheit. The Lexi Home Tri-ply frying pan is oven-safe up to 500 degrees Fahrenheit, allowing you to seamlessly transition from stovetop to oven for versatile cooking options. Whether you're searing meats, making a frittata, or finishing off a dish under the broiler, this pan has you covered. Dishwasher safe for easy cleanup. After a long day of cooking, cleaning should be the last thing on your mind. Fortunately, this frying pan is dishwasher safe, making cleanup a breeze. Alternatively, you can use a soft cloth and dish soap for a quick wash. Who is the Lexi Home Tri-ply frying pan for? The Lexi Home Tri-ply 10-inch frying pan is ideal for anyone who wants to upgrade their cookware collection. It's perfect for home cooks, whether you're a beginner or an experienced cook. This pan offers ease of use, durability, and flexibility to make cooking an enjoyable experience. Health-conscious individuals. With its non-stick coating and minimal oil requirement, it's a great choice for anyone looking to prepare healthier meals. Busy families. The easy-to-clean design makes this pan a lifesaver for those short on time, allowing for quick meals and no-hassle cleanup. Professional chefs. If you want a durable pan that can handle a wide variety of cooking methods from searing to sautéing, the Lexi Home Tri-ply frying pan will meet your high standards. Pros: durable materials, made from stainless steel and aluminum for long-lasting use. Even heating. Tri-ply construction ensures consistent heat distribution. Scratch-resistant non-stick, easy food release with minimal oil required. Comfortable handle, ergonomic design keeps the handle cool. Oven safe, up to 500 degrees Fahrenheit for versatile cooking. Easy cleanup, dishwasher safe. Healthy cooking, requires less oil. Cons: smaller size, 10 inches may not be enough for large families. Price: slightly higher than basic pans. Non-stick durability. Coating may degrade over time with heavy use. If you're looking for a frying pan that offers exceptional value, durability, and ease of use, the Lexi Home Tri-ply frying pan is an excellent choice. Don't miss out on this kitchen essential that combines performance with style. If you enjoyed this review, like the video and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews.